Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you a few steps which you can follow to increase the performance of your computer and fix the problem of a slow Windows laptop or desktop. So first of all, you want to click on the Windows sign and the letter R on your keyboard, and this little command will be here. Otherwise, just go to your search tab and type run, and you should be able to open it. Next step. First of all, you want to type the percentage sign, PMP, and again percentage sign, and click OK. And what you want to do, you want to delete these temporary files. However, please make sure that all softwares are closed. And if you are using Microsoft Office or any software, you want first to save your work and close all the files and on all the systems before proceeding. What this will delete the temporary files which are created by Windows. So every time when you open any software, Windows create a temporary file to quickly access the software. And the accumulation of these files makes your computer run slower. So by deleting them, it doesn't impact your Windows file systems. It doesn't delete anything from your data, but it just removes the temporary files which should be removed after every session. So once you have removed this file, you want to go back again to the run tool, and you will type only tmp and hit OK. And here there is another type of temporary files which you want to select all and have them deleted. They are similar to the previous files. Next step, you want to click on the search loop and you type cmd and you want to select run as administrator. You will be asked if you want really to allow this application to make changes to your device. You can go ahead and click yes. And here you must type sfc/scan now and hit enter. In this procedure, the system will begin scanning your Windows operating system and your hard disk, seeking if there are any corrupted system files, or if there are any missing system files. It will recover them and fix them for you. Also, it will fix errors on your hard disk. The operation takes few seconds to up to 5 to 15 minutes maximum, and you might be asked to restart your computer if there are any errors or issues so that the issue get fixed. As you can see, guys, the operation has taken roughly 3 minutes, and it says that verification 100% complete. Windows Resources Protection did not find any integrity violation, which means that everything is fine. If there was any problems, it will be said as a message, and you will be asked to restart your computer so that the fix is completed. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always write us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like and you find this video useful, you can always subscribe and click like and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.